Are you struggling with insomnia? Well, how do you actually fix it? Is insomnia fixable? Is it reversible? Do I have to take pills for the rest of my life? These are the questions that many of the patients that I've treated in the past, my team continues to treat right now. These are the questions they are wondering, right? Because they've gone to the physicians, they've gone to the chiropractors, the functional medicine practitioners, they've even gone to other acupuncturists, and they still have not fixed their insomnia. This video is about me sharing with you my experience. After treating thousands of patients, 20 plus years of clinical practice and experience, and my team still treats tons of patients every day on helping people restore their ability to sleep by themselves without taking another pill. So that's what this video is about. It's about sharing what we do. Disclaimer, this is not a prescription to tell you what to do. You can take this information, get with your provider and your physician, your healthcare practitioner, and work with them. Do not do this on your own. This is not medical advice. This is just purely me sharing with you how I have gotten phenomenal success, how I've helped thousands of patients restore their body's ability to sleep, to have great quality sleep, and therefore great quality of energy. So I'm going to go over the treatments today, the treatment strategy, and some of the treatments that we have done, and some advice that we've given our patients that they can do at home so that they can maintain the results. Because it's one thing to restore your body's ability to sleep by itself again, right? It's another thing to keep it, right? Some people may be able to help you get that relief, but it doesn't stick. That's not what I'm about. And that's not what my team's about. With me, Jimmy Acu Sensei, I'm all about restorative longevity, which means restoring your body's ability to heal itself so it can sleep by itself without external influences or taking a pill. So let's jump in. So all of this information is listed on my Restorative Sleep Guidebook. If you don't have access to this, make sure you comment below sleepy. You have to type in the exact words sleepy. So my team will send you a link to get free access to this Restorative Sleep Guidebook. So I'm going to skip through the cause. I'm going to go straight to the solution, right? Because that's what this is about. So these are the Western medicine treatments for insomnia. You can read through these. The important thing to know about this is all medications, the final result of it is always a Band-Aid. It does not restore your body's ability to sleep by itself. And that includes supplements. Okay, supplements don't restore function. Some help you sleep, but again, you're here on this video, you're following me is because you're tired of the Band-Aid approach, right? Keep taking a pill so you can feel better. Once you stop taking the pill, everything goes to crap again, right? You're tired of that. You actually want to fix the problem, which is restore your body's ability to heal itself so it can sleep by itself, right? Now, we do give supplements. We do recommend supplements in our clinic. And I also have recommended, right? Like magnesium plus calcium. That helps gives a calming effect, but it doesn't restore. If you were to ask me, hey, Jimmy, which treatments could actually restore and actually fix the problem? I don't want a Band-Aid just to mask the symptom. I want to fix the problem. Well, you're going to have to go to traditional Chinese medicine, nutrition. That's the real fix, I would say. Be careful with melatonin. Melatonin is actually a hormone replacement therapy. Makes your pineal gland lazy. Your pineal gland is the gland that produces melatonin to help you sleep. If you keep on taking melatonin supplements over time, that makes your pineal gland lazy and it produces less and less. In a previous video, I talked about the two main causes of insomnia from a Chinese medicine perspective. One is a hypofunction and one is hyperfunction. And that's what I'm going to get into today. I'm going to get to the main thing, my secrets of how I've helped patients with insomnia reverse it. So that means they're able to sleep without even taking herbs anymore. So from the hyperactive insomnia, these are the three most common single herbs, TCM herbs that I use. And I make sure I include these in the formulas for majority of our patients who have hyperactive insomnia. If you want to know the difference between hyperactive and hypoactive, you got to get this guidebook. I list it all above. But today is all about the solution. So these are the herbs: Buplaria, Chaihu, Longgu, Muli. This combination is very powerful, right? Chaihu regulates stress hormones and reduces your mental overactivity. Longgu calms the nervous system, okay, reduces nighttime agitation. Muli also calms the nervous system. It enhances relaxation of neurotransmitters and supports sleep maintenance. So you can see just these three herbs does a calming effect, right? But you need to add other herbs in order to actually restore function. One of the organs dysfunctions that is one of the root causes of insomnia is a hyperactive liver function. Your liver is hyperactive, it's inflamed. Well, if you take these herbs, it will calm that inflammation down and your liver regains its natural function. When your liver regains its natural function, guess what? You sleep like a baby. The liver is just one of the organs. Again, which organs? I listed the most common organs up top. You got to get this guidebook. And I'm releasing all my secrets. One of the formulas that I created, none of these formulas are sold in any other clinic. No other acupuncture clinics, no other acupuncturist in the entire world has these formulas. Why? Because I created these formulas. They're a proprietary blend. I have treated thousands of patients and I've tried so many combinations. And after 20 plus years of clinical practice with phenomenal results, I have found the formulas that work. If you have hyperactive insomnia, this formula will work. Now, I can't guarantee that for you because I've never diagnosed you. My team's never diagnosed you, right? You need to come into our clinic for us to diagnose you. But what I can tell you just from my clinical experience, whenever a patient has hyperactive insomnia, this formula that I created, 100% of the time works. If a patient has hypoactive insomnia, then this formula, the quiet anchor, will help, but it won't fix the problem. The problem, the formula, the solution needs to match the diagnosis. But if you have the diagnosis of hyperactive insomnia, and specifically it's caused by liver organ hyperactive, this formula in my clinical practice has helped eliminate the insomnia and restore restorative sleep 100% of the time. Again, I'm not saying it's going to work for you. I'm just saying my clinical experience. So these are not generic formulas. Many times when you have an acupuncturist or a chiropractor or a naturopath, when they're selling herbs and formulas online, number one, they're selling generic formulas that they got from the books that all of us studied from. Those formulas work, but not as effective, at least not in my clinical experience, 20 plus years, right? Treating thousands of patients. That's why I had to create my own formulas. And also, some practitioners may have formulated and created their own formulas, but the problem is they didn't test it on enough patients. I would just say the average acupuncturist in the US treats about 30 patients a week. I treated 50 patients a day, 5 days a week. That's how many more patients that I've had clinical experiment, testing, treating, results. So I am 100% positive if you have the right diagnosis, this formula will work. Now, hypoactive functioning insomnia, you can't use this formula. I mean, you can, but it won't fix it. If you use this formula, it will also be a Band-Aid. Again, the correct diagnosis is crucial. So the top herbs for hypoactive insomnia that I personally have used and my team currently use is number one, 酸枣仁, number two, 合欢皮, 夜交藤. These three combo, they are phenomenal. First one, 酸枣仁, enhances sleep drive, improves sleep initiation. Like if you have a problem falling asleep, you take this 酸枣仁, it will help fix that problem. 合欢皮 relieves emotional stress and supports relaxation. Again, calming you down, getting you ready to sleep. If it takes you like an hour or 2 hours to fall asleep and you just are so hard to fall asleep, you may have this hypoactive insomnia. If you do have this hypoactive insomnia, these herbs will help you fall asleep quick. For me, thankfully, I don't have a problem falling asleep. I think it's from maybe my genetics, my nutrition, my lifestyle, right? When my head hits the pillow, I'm out. Okay. Next, Yejiao nourishes the heart. This is important. Organ, the way I do things, very different from Western medicine and also very different from other acupuncturists and TCM practitioners. I focus entirely on restoring organ function. So all the herbs that we use in our clinic are about restoring organ function. Why? Because over 20 plus years, I have found when I restore a patient's organ function, their body goes back to healing itself. And the ones who have insomnia, they start to sleep. They start to sleep by themselves and they have phenomenal quality of sleep. And that's not even the best part. The best part is I take my herbs away and they still sleep phenomenally well. That's what I have found. When you fix the organ function, I believe through my clinical data, clinical research shows that organ function is the root cause of all our health issues, and sleep is no different. So, Yejiao nourishes the heart. When the heart is hypoactive, it will cause insomnia. So, what do? Well, you nourish it, you strengthen it. When you strengthen the heart, guess what? Then it can do its function of regulating your sleep, right? And then you go back to a deeper and more restorative sleep. So I want to go through the herbs individually for hyperactive insomnia and hypoactive insomnia. The first herb is chaihu or Bupleurum root. Just want to point out the main important facts, right? Is it a band-aid or restorative? See, when patients come to our clinic, they come to our clinic for restorative longevity, right? That's how I came up with the name of my new company, Restorative Longevity. They came for something different. They've gone to all the other practitioners, including other acupuncturists, including other TCM herbalists, and they didn't get the result that they want. Now, what result were they looking for? They were looking for the result of actually fixing their problem. Fixing their problem, again, means you do treatment A. When treatment A is done, you take treatment A away, and your body still maintains those results. That's, to me, what fixing it means, right? Because if you have to come to our clinic in order to sleep good, and I tell you, oh, in order for you to have great quality sleep for the rest of your life, you have to come to my clinic for the rest of your life. To me, that is not fixing the problem. That was what I was taught in Chinese medicine school. It was about symptom relief because when I was in Chinese medicine school, we were taught to ask questions. So we would ask questions about your sleep. And then once your sleep is back to normal, then we stop all treatments. And I did that when I opened my practice. And the first thing I did what I was taught in school. What was the result of that? What I realized was my patients, their sleep got better. And then I would stop the treatments, right? I would think I fixed them. Oh, your sleep is better. You went from not being able to sleep to now you're able to sleep 8 hours sleep. I thought I fixed them, but the reality was I didn't. So I had to do something different. And that's why I created a whole new treatment system that my team at Achieve Integrative Health that they currently use and we've used for 20 plus years, right? So I'm just sharing with you what I have personally done. If you are looking for a fix, if you are looking for restorative help, chaihu can help restore your liver function. And again, if you look up top of this guidebook, liver is one of the organs. When it dysfunctions, it can cause insomnia. But when you restore its functions, your insomnia magically goes away. Now, let me give you a disclaimer. When patients come to our clinic, we help them restore their liver function, and then they go home and do whatever they want. They drink alcohol, they eat tons of sugar, they eat fried foods, and they just destroy their liver again. Well, guess what? If they do that, their insomnia comes right back. Now, when I say fix it, hey, they destroyed their liver, they come to our team, come to my clinic, and we help them restore their liver function. We also give them the tools that I have provided you in this guidebook for free. These are the tools we give our patients. And so we give them the tools to maintain their health, good lifestyle habits, good nutrition habits, good rest habits. If they maintain all of those, guess what? Their insomnia will never come back. That, my friends, is what I call fixing a problem and what I call restorative longevity. Longo, this one again helps with the liver as well. It helps calm down the liver. Hyperactive, even the heart. When the heart is getting hyperactive functioning, some people may relate that to racing heart, right? Longo actually can help calm what's called tachycardia, which means a rapid heartbeat. But Longo, I use it specifically for the liver and also kidneys or adrenal hyperactivity. It can really calm it down and put it back to normal function. So if you notice, it's all about balancing. Our organs should be functioning at this level, but when it goes up too high, hyperactive, right? We need to calm it down. When it's too weak below, we need to boost it up. We need to get it back to where it's balanced. Because when it's in this balance, oh man, it's in its zone, then you are living a very good quality of life. Mu li, same thing. Oyster shell, right? It can help anchor. Mu li, oyster shell and this dragon bone, fossilized bone, it all contains magnesium and calcium. And suanzaran, now we're going to the nourishing, right? The zezepha seed. This nourishes the heart. It nourishes the spleen. It can nourish the kidneys to help with the hypoactive insomnia. And Hohuanpi is the same. Albizia bark. See, they are all have the function of restoring. Now, let me also warn you, this is something I did early on in my career when I didn't have as much success and experience yet. I would use these same herbs because guess what? TCM school teaches us these herbs. And the problem is, I would use these herbs and my patients would start to sleep better. And then I would tell them, okay, you can stop the herbs. I would prematurely tell them to stop taking the herbs. And what do I mean by prematurely? I haven't fixed their organ function. Just because they're sleeping better doesn't mean it's going to stick. So in our clinic, we help people correct the problem, correct the root cause, but we don't stop there because that's where I used to stop. When I first started practicing, I did everything that I was taught in Chinese medicine school, but it didn't work. It only had about 50% results. I have made those mistakes. And so I give people these herbs and then I would prematurely stop. I would correct the problem and then I would stop. And then I found out, oh, the insomnia a month later comes right back just as bad, right? That's when I created my own treatment system to say, hey, no. Just because their symptom of insomnia went away doesn't mean I fixed the problem, right? So that's why I created a treatment system that would fix. After I took away the symptom, I would then focus on restoring the organ function. In this situation, insomnia, restoring the heart function, spleen function, kidney function, liver function, whichever organ was dysfunctioning, I would restore it. So I would switch up the herbs. They would not be taking these same herbs the whole time they're getting treatments at my clinic. And my team still does my system. That's why we get phenomenal results. I'm not just saying that. You can look. My clinic has the most 5-star Google reviews than any acupuncture and wellness clinic in the entire North America. We have over 780 5-star Google reviews. That's results not from me, it's from our patients letting you know. So these are the herbs. So notice I have a formula. You're probably wondering, what, Jimmy, you listed one of your secret formulas for hyperactive insomnia, but what about the hypoactive insomnia? We have it. It's just in the process of getting manufactured, okay? I've contacted the herb company and they're making my proprietary, my secret formulas. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. The hypoactive insomnia formula is called Lights Out Lite. That's going to come in a few weeks, so be on the lookout. So it contains these 3 herbs, okay? I will update this guidebook once I have those in stock so that you can get access to my secret formulas. If you don't have access to this guidebook, comment below sleepy. My team will send you a link to get free access to this restorative sleep guidebook.